Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a short little video on different types of batteries. So we're basically just going to be testing like the rate of fire between different batteries. So what I have here is a 8.4 1600 milliamp battery, small type, by Intellect. Then I got a 9.6 1600 milliamp Intellect battery, nunchuck style, small type. And the last one is the 11.1 Lipo battery, 1300 milliamp. And these are what they call ni-cad batteries, nickel metal hydrate. And overall, even though this is 1300 milliamp compared to the 1600 milliamp ones, you're still going to get more shots per milliamp with Lipo batteries, because that's just how they are. So anyways, let's go out and test these batteries. Hey guys, so I got my three types of batteries out here. And first we're going to be testing this one, this 1600 milliamp 8.4 volt battery. So we got my G&G GR16 that we're going to be using to test this. Lots of internal upgrades that have been done to it. So we're going to plug in the 8.4 volt battery. So we got the 8.4 volt plugged in. So we got my 8.4 volt battery plugged in, and we're going to shoot it. So as you can see, it is the 8.4. Semi. So yeah, there's the 8.4. So now we're going to be testing the 9.6 volt 1600 milliamp battery. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the 9.6. Let's plug it in. Okay, now we got my 9.6 volt plugged in, and we're going to be shooting this. 9.6, semi, just one shot. Now full auto. And last, we're going to be testing this 11.1 Lipo battery. And last, here we go, we're going to be plugging in the 11.1 Lipo and testing this out. Okay, now we got my 11.1 Lipo plugged in. Here's the Lipo. Semi. Fully auto. So as you can see, very high rate of fire. That's probably shooting about 24 bullets a second. Hey guys, so we've done the firing test, and I would just like to close it off by noting that Lipo batteries, I do not recommend using them in your gun unless it says it's Lipo ready. Like there's some KWAs that are Lipo ready. I would simply use my Lipo in my G&G because it has been heavily modified internally, so it can withstand 11.1 Lipo. But anyways, stock G&Gs, I would not recommend using Lipos because it's probably going to strip your gears and be very bad for your gun in the long run. So I wouldn't recommend using them unless you've modified your gun or it specifically says that it's Lipo ready.